All right. What is up? I'm in Heraklion, and this place is called Gazi. Uh, some of the subscribers have been asking me to make a video of this place, and now I finally found the time and the opportunity to make this video. As you can see, I'm wearing like very warm jacket because it is cold, a little bit humid, and other than that everything is fine. Today it was a very warm, sunny, shiny day, and I need to keep in mind that I need to tell you the date. It is October 24th, 2022, and we will be taking a walk in Ghazi, and you will get to see what type of place this is, what's going on, and things like that. Well, the thing about Ghazi is that Ghazi is located in the western side of Heraklion city. Well, like the front side of Ghazi is Amudara, and behind Amudara is Ghazi. And this place is much closer to the villages, and there are lots of olive fields and lots of villages with people, those who own lots of sheep and goats and cattle, things like that. So this area is not touristic, I can say, at all. It's much more like the locals are coming here for their shopping, and some people are living here. So yeah, I have a call. Vale.
Vai a cosa de que está llegando.
Beleza. Oh, mas eu tô usando também, né? This place is called Gazi, but the municipality is called Mulevezi, and I hope I am correct on pronouncing the name of the municipality. It is a bit challenging, but right now I am in front of the town hall or the municipality building of Mulevezi. Yeah, and this is a very big municipality. Many beautiful villages are located in this municipality, and like Asitis, Kato Asitis is a village that you can visit, and this place in itself is a nice place. We have like a area for the kids to play in front of the town hall or in front of the municipality building. I am confusing these things. Okay, and then it's like a decent place also to live. It is not too far from the sea, and it is not too close to the sea. It's not huge as Heraklion, and it's not too small. You can almost find anything you need to sustain a life here in Gazi. Like There are bakeries, there are souvlaki shops, there are restaurants. You just name it, it is here. Even to like the companies like the phone services, and also there is also a bank branch as well. And now we are reaching the very end of this place, which is called Ghazi, and you will find a very beautiful church here. This one. Get in focus. Okay, so the church name is Agios Nikolaos, that's what I can read there, and from here you can easily get into the highway to go to Agios Nikolaos or to go to Retemno, places like that. And also if you follow this street straight, go down, there is a coffee shop where you can grab a coffee, and then you can go to, like, it connects you to the old street between Heraklion and Retemno. It also is the way to go to Tilisos. It's also the way to go to Anosia and Psilouritis mountain. It is all from here. Of course there are several ways that you can go, but this one is like the official one, with a very nice asphalt road and straightforward with signs and everything. Yeah. So this place, Gazi, has more to offer. It's like a kind of very chill, calm, quick walk to show you, to have an understanding of this place. And later on, if possible, I will explore this place in depth, and if I can talk to some people, to locals, how they talk about, and if there are things that I personally don't know, I will also try to explore those things and bring it to you. So this was it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you like, hit the like button, and also share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have any places that you want me visit, please let me know in the comment section, or however you wish. And if you're already having a good time, consider subscribing. Other than that, until the next time, peace.